you will be dealt with very sympathetically. If you advise your client, immediately withdraw the suspension order. Court is not here to clean the all garbages, asset and give him name. Make a party by name. Make him a party by name. I will issue immediate suspension. Challenge it anywhere. Is it joke? I want to know, you reacted on a complaint,
Lordship,
right?
Lordship.
Who lost the complaint? Your report says anything? Take me to the report that how this board has come to this scene. Where have you stated?
Lordship, kindly come to page 4, paragraph number 11, Lordship.
No, your report is 2 pages. There is no paragraph 11. It's
No, Lordship.
There is a,
another report.
yes.
This is
Last
Shormishta
occasion
Ghosh.
Yes, Lordship. Last
Second.
occasion I was filed, Lordship.
Initial report was Dr. Kallanmoy Ganguly.
Another report, Lordship, Subroto Ghosh, Lordship.
Your earlier report that an incident surfaced.
Lordship.
How it has surfaced?
Lordship, my second report, kindly come.
Yes. This is DI's report. An affidavit. It is affirmed by one Subroto Ghosh,
Lordship.
secretary. How it has reached to the complaint reached to? What is the complaint? How it reached to this?
Lordship, kindly come to paragraph 11, page 4, Lordship.
I state that it was also reported that in connection with the such and such Invalika bill report had surfaced same reputation. Wherefrom it has surfaced? Board cannot act
Lordship.
suo moto to initiate any disciplinary proceeding. Is there any dispute with regard to that?
No, my lord.
Can board act suo moto?
Lordship, board can issue suo moto disciplinary proceeding, but here, Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, DI filed one inquiry report. At that basis, Lordship.
Any request with any request of disciplinary proceeding?
No, Lordship, disciplinary proceeding not initiated, Lordship.
No, your disciplinary authority issued the suspension order.
Lordship,
Suspension order is yours.
Lordship.
If you admit that there is no disciplinary proceeding, then I here and now I'm quashing. And
Lordship,
They have admitted. they
Lordship,
have disciplined.
I have admitted, Lordship, no disciplinary proceeding was
then
initiated, Lordship.
each of you, your president should suffer a cost of 1 lakh. What is the salary of this lady? Suspension allowance? Why this?
Currently, my lord, she is
You
getting
pay from your pocket.
48. My lord, another most important
You
thing,
pay
my lord.
your from your pocket.
My lord, another most important thing, it is in the rules. Board cannot go beyond the rules. It is says, I am the most worst teacher, my lord. I have done all this. It has, the rule says, if a misconduct has come within the knowledge of the board, if within 3 years no disciplinary proceedings is initiated, thereafter no disciplinary proceedings can initiated after 3 years.
No, this has been initiated within the.
No disciplinary proceedings initiated.
Assuming
Yes,
that there is an issue
But-
on the allegation. First, go to the root.
yes.
What was the complaint and how it has reached to you?
My lord, the complaint was interesting.
Let them explain. Let them explain.
Lordship, Lordship, DI,
Where have you stated? Your 2 reports are before me.
Lordship, kindly come to page 4, Lordship, paragraph number 11, 12, Lordship. I state,
Now, report also, it was also reported. Who reported? Where from I'll be getting it? It was also reported that in connection with such and such, it was telecasted in the only rice and salt. You have acted on a news bulletin, on a telecast. Is it your case?
Lordship, one thing is telecast, Lordship, another DI filed a report.
Where from? Where you have stated?
Lordship, kindly come to Annexer D, Lordship, page 9, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to page 14, Annexer 5, Lordship. Our suspension order, Lordship.
No, you must take this responsibility of stating that on the basis of the inquiry report, I reacted to issue.
Lordship.
Where have you stated so? In your report,
Lordship, on 19th August 2019, and District Inspector of School SC convened the matter to the board immediately. He sent a report in the white memo number such and such dated 19th August 2019. As per this report, Lordship, board was issued suspension order.
why not? It
Lordship.
is so clear. Should I record your submission
Lordship,
that this were reacted on this without anything more, anything less? Because consequence will go by this.
Lordship,
You have been authorized to state so. You have been authorized to say it so that this is the only source of your action. A report was communicated to the board alleging that this has happened. Then on the basis of this communication, you acted, right? Show
Lordship.
me the rules, how you can exercise such power. What is the rule provide, whether rule authorizes you to act on such communication? Show me a rule. Give her the relevant copy of the rules. Show me.
আমার কাছে আছে।
Lordship can have.
So let her show what is the rule required.
Lordship, Rule 5, Lordship.
Rule 5. Mr. Dasgupta, then you can give it to me.
That's
Mr.
Lordship.
Chattopadhyay, where is that DI who has conducted this? Who can explain?
The present DI was not in charge of that 19.
I want to know where is that person? Where is that person? Each cost is to be borne by the president, that DI, and whoever is found responsible. Yes, tell me, what is the rule, relevant rule?
Lordship, disciplinary proceeding, Rule 5, Lordship.
Rule 5. Are you referring to 2018 rule? West Bengal Board of Secondary Education Appointment, Confirmation, Conduct of Discipline and of Teachers and Non-Teaching Staff Rules 2018?
Lordship,
Are you referring to? You want me to see Rule 5? Disciplinary proceeding, yes?
the board may authorize any officer not below the rank of a sub-inspector of school to conduct preliminary investigation against any teacher or non-teaching staff upon receipt of a complaint pertaining to the misconduct of a teacher or non-teaching staff.
This
from
is a procedure lays
Lordship.
down. I am not on procedure. Whether, how the board will initiate for disciplinary proceeding.
Lordship, as by my instruction, Lordship,
Your instruction will not do, madam. Now I want to know what is the rule. There must be a definite rule.
Lordship,
Disciplinary proceedings, the prescription under Rule 5 is how the disciplinary proceeding shall be conducted.
Lordship,
Now, it is after initiation of disciplinary proceeding. Now, I want to know from you what are the relevant rules to initiate a disciplinary proceeding. Mr. Dasgupta, can you?
Rule 5, sub rule 1.
ওয়ানটাই আমি বলছিলাম।
Board
May
may
authorize
If your lordship.
On receipt of a complaint, upon receipt of a complaint pertaining to the misconduct of a teacher and non-teaching staff from the committee or administrator or head of the an institution.
Lordship, kindly come page 14, Lordship, suspension order, Lordship. Here, Lordship, and whereas such omission on your part in implementing the cooked midday meal program and report of the concerned DI of school, thereon not only tarnishes the image of state government but also frustrated the CMDM program where school students are deprived of their legitimate entitlement. On
Madam,
that basis,
Madam, we are in Rule 1.
Lordship,
Upon receipt of a complaint pertaining to misconduct of a teacher and non-teaching staff from where? Committee. Committee means managing committee. Administrator, in place of a committee, administrator or head of the institution. The head of the institution must disclose whether she lodged a complaint. That is why I have invited affidavit from her.
Yeah, the instruction I have received, my lord, that she did not want to make any complaint.
Therefore,
And in
How
fact,
you
my lord,
have-
she came to the.
Lordship,
office
here-
After the incident, I think. my lord,
you
she
disclose
did
in
not-
your affidavit, Mr. Bose.
Lordship, GI filed a report where they stated one mail they received, Lordship.
Mail receipt. So,
GI
Mr.
Lordship.
very well. So you have no answer. Neither the board, the teacher, non-teaching, sorry, committee, administrator or head of the institution lodged any complaint regarding misconduct. Now let us
Lordship, on
assume,
that point, Lordship, I don't know, Lordship, where he or she lodge a complaint or not, Lordship. As per DI file
No,
inquiry report.
your
after
report does
that-
not say that such a complaint reached to you from this three entry point. That you have not disclosed in your, have you?
Lordship,
You want to disclose?
Lordship.
Then file your affidavit, say this is the administrator. Now headmistress is saying, I never lodged. There is no administrator, then managing committee,
We also told there was no complaint. from
there
our
was no
end.
complaint. They will be stating on affidavit, then you come how you reacted. If you say you reacted on the basis of communication of the email,
Lordship,
send that, show that email
that report, Lordship, filed by DI, Lordship.
to you. To you.
Lordship, not me, Lordship.
How it reached to you then? And Mr. Chattopadhyay, the concerned DI who issued this inquiry or something on the basis of where is he now?
Have to ascertain, my lord.
Ascertain, give him name, make a party by name. Make him a party by name. I will issue immediate suspension. Challenge it anywhere. Is it joke? Playing with the teacher? Acting on the newspaper, acting on the TV news. He want to be big news in the news of the evening, make him a party. Make him a party. Mr. Dasgupta, get the name of that DI and make him a party. You want to explain where from you have got this? You want to explain where from you got this complaint? Very well.
My lord, with
You see the third report.
My lord, with deepest of reference, board in their second report has stated that from the report filed sent to them by the DI,
You will be dealt with very sympathetically. If you advise your client, immediately withdraw the suspension order. Court is not here to clean the all garbages. Ask your client if he wants to save. I will issue rule against them, show motor contempt rule against them. Filing the bogus affidavits before the court. Ask them if they feel that it was a mistake on their part, ask them to withdraw immediately. The consequential effect will be much lesser than on you. You want to file an affidavit, file it. Monday,